Hi, my name is Misael Pleitez, and my degree project is called Primitive Augmentation. Primitive Augmentation is a base development Rhino plugin that explores the use of space to create primitive geometry. My project is inspired by the idea of Gordon Clark's in architecture, by exploring the interactions between one realm to another using carving and sawing techniques to existing buildings. Clark states, "You cut a hole in the building and people can look inside and see the other way people really lived. It's making space without building it." To further understand what Gordon Clark was achieving, I began to explore AR and VR applications that could allow any user to interact with primitive geometry using the digital world, making space without building it. Augmented reality is being absorbed and adopted into architectural practice as a new method of visualization. Augmented reality can interact with architectural projects by merging digital 3D models within physical spaces. With the use of simple geometry, infinite model iterations can be created to explore a new realm of primitive augmentations. To download my Rhino plugin, search github.com and type in primitive augmentation. There you can find my project repository that contains Rhino install commands, the original Python scripts, and links to 4 HTML websites that explore augmented and virtual reality. You can then click on the file name pa.rhi, which is the Rhino installer. Once downloaded, double-click on the file to install the Rhino command that is accessible to Rhino 6 and 7. Once you have installed the Rhino plugin, open Rhino and type in PA, and a series of message boxes will appear to help guide the users through the script. You're going to need a closed model of your choice, like I have on my screen, to allow for the space to be created. When you are ready to begin, you can click yes to proceed. You're then going to be asked to create a site around the model you have. This allows for a set of points to be created around your model and allows for geometry to be extruded from any direction. Once the geometry has been created around your model has then been excluded from that to be able to create a space that allows for interaction. To view my VR room, you can return back to my GitHub repository and click the first link below. Each link individually displays AR and VR interaction that can be accessed by scanning the QR codes on the wall or using your smartphone to track your location to display models in front of the users. To conclude, I have displayed plugin iterations that showcase the different outcomes of primitive geometrical models. From those iterations, I created a series of planimations that show the development of the project through the idea of making space without building it. Thank you for your time.